Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Did you know that drinking a cup of golden milk or the turmeric milk every day is one of the best things that you can do for your overall well-being? Did you also know that it is very important to make the turmeric milk in the right way in order to reap all its benefits? In this video, I will show you the right way to make turmeric milk, which can improve its absorption in humans by 2000%. And I'm going to show you a vegan option as well. Turmeric milk is not for everyone. Do stay tuned till the end to find out who should not be drinking turmeric milk on a regular basis. Before I share this life-changing recipe with you, I would like to motivate you a bit by sharing the plethora of benefits that this drink can bring to your daily lives. Due to the presence of an active ingredient called curcumin in turmeric, turmeric milk is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-carcinogenic. Wow, that's a lot of antis. Did you know that turmeric has one of the most powerful antioxidants known to mankind? So do you need more motivation to learn the right recipe and drink it up every day? It's also an immunity booster, so it keeps coughs, cold, and flu at bay. It clears out mucus from the respiratory tracts and strengthens your lungs. Who wouldn't want that, especially with all the nasty viruses around? It does wonders to your skin, adds glow, and fights aging. It boosts memory and brain function and prevents age-related memory loss. It improves digestion and is good for your cardiovascular health, prevents heart diseases, reduces the bad cholesterol, and increases good cholesterol. It improves bone health, relieves pains in joints, even in arthritis patients, and prevents osteoporosis. It uplifts your mood and reduces signs of depression. So it will surely help you stay happy. It also aids healing and recovery from wounds and fatigue, creates hormonal balance, keeps blood sugar levels in check, and helps you sleep better. If you are a parent, you would know how kids can fall sick very often in autumn and winter. A cup of turmeric milk every day at bedtime can do wonders for them and keep them healthy all year round. In case you're liking this video so far, please do like and subscribe. I do a lot of product reviews and this channel is all about home and health. I would love to see you here again. I know, enough with the blah blah already. Let's make the turmeric milk together in the right way. Heat half a teaspoon of ghee in a saucepan on a low to medium heat. You could add coconut oil instead of ghee as a vegan alternative. Ghee is considered to have medicinal properties as per Ayurveda, and its combination with milk is considered to be an elixir. Once the ghee melts, add half a teaspoon of turmeric. You could reduce the quantity of turmeric to 1/4 teaspoon, especially if you're making this for your kids and do not want a strong taste of turmeric. Stir it for a few seconds till you see tiny bubbles. Be careful, you don't want to burn it. Now add a cup of milk to the saucepan, followed by a pinch or two of cinnamon. You can substitute dairy milk with coconut milk, oats milk, or almond milk. Turmeric works the best when taken with fats, as it is fat soluble. Therefore, it is important to add ghee or coconut oil and milk of your choice. Now goes in a magic ingredient, a pinch of black pepper. Piperine in black pepper is the component that will increase the assimilation of turmeric by 2000%. Add a teeny tiny pinch of nutmeg. Now stir a bit. I like to add a couple of chopped dates to the boiling milk, but it is completely optional. You could add a natural sweetener like raw brown sugar if you like. If you wish to use honey as a sweetener, allow the milk to cool down to about 40 degrees before adding honey. Once the milk comes to a boil, take it off the burner. You could sieve it at this point in time and let it cool off a bit before consumption. As you may have already realized, there are 3 extremely important components here: a source of fat, pepper, and heat. This is why boiling the milk is important, to activate the ingredients for proper absorption. But don't go overboard with boiling. Turmeric milk will lose its properties if you heat it for more than 10 minutes. Now that you know the right recipe, it is equally important to know how to consume turmeric milk and when. Turmeric milk should ideally be consumed 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. Do try to keep a gap of at least an hour after dinner before you consume turmeric milk. Now, who should not be consuming turmeric milk on a regular basis? People on blood thinners should not consume turmeric milk on a regular basis, as it is known to possess blood thinning property. If you're on a medication against diabetes, consumption of turmeric milk regularly may lower your blood sugar levels way too much. Also, if you're pregnant, it is generally considered safe to consume turmeric milk. However, you need to consume it in moderation. It is advisable to consult your medical practitioner in all these cases. So now that you know the benefits of turmeric milk and the right way to prepare it, pour yourself a cup and enjoy. And before you go, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.